What's going on YouTube? Back with another install. Yes, gauges, of course. I'm also do a video for this. Everybody wants to like really see, but anyway, back to this. Yeah, flip pods already installed already. I'm gonna go through step by step because yes, this is confusing. Well, not for me, but it will be confusing for you if you don't know, your wiring, don't know, where to tap into. I tapped into a fuse for each one so that they have their own individual. First thing, the screw is inside of here, so just pop this off like a flathead and then take the screw out, and all you gotta do is just lift up slowly and move over. And slowly take that and pop this up. I know it's a little messy, but the wires come like this. And you get the box, you get one GlowShift. Wires come like just yellow, red, black, and orange. Same thing for this one. This one is the actual this is for the transmission. So I'm not gonna do this one in this video. So obviously the blacks I got right here, these you use for your ground. Now the rest of these, all you do is daisy chaining. So if you take one of each, start with the yellow, 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 and yellow. Tap that together. Put your connector on there. I taped it up. So put some black electrical tape. Boom, that's one. Go to your reds. Red, red, red. Tap that together. The next one. Blacks, blacks, blacks is your grounds. And then your orange is same thing. It's right here. When you're tapping all of them up, like for example, like you see I got all the reds together and shit. That red I also got hooked up to one of these wires. For example, this yellow is another 18 gauge wire, but that's running down the side. So with your GlowShift, you can order the extension for each color, and you can run it all the way down to where you're gonna tap your fuse into it. I didn't. I just went and bought 18 gauge wire. So what I did to identify each color, so I got two yellows for one set. Well, one of them has one set. This one has one set. So this one's tapped to the yellow. This one's tapped to the red. But I put black tape on it to identify it on the other side. And that white one was for black tape, so forth, so forth. So I'm trying to take all this back apart and show you where I ran it. Now you see those wires right there, the 4 sets I ran it down to here. Alright, so you see the 4 wires, well, 3, you see 3 right now, but it's 4. Ran it down here, ran it all the way back. Alright, so if you come underneath the driver's side, so this is where all the fuses are. Here is one of the taps that I put the fuse with. I added it, but I'll show you guys that in a second. But you see how all my both of my whites and both of my yellows, the other one is just over there, it's just kind of like longer, but ran it through the back. There's a hole there in the back. If you can feel it, you should be able to feel it with your hand. And then let me see if you can see that. Now I know that looks sketchy, because it looks like it's behind the door, but it's not gonna touch it. I promise you, like, it won't clip it or nothing. See the yellow. Alright, there you go, Mom. So see those wires right there? I came up and I just ran it through over here. And if you look for your fuse boxes, right here, boom. Alright, so now each individual just comes like this. It just comes with the, I guess it's a fuse tap. So it comes with no fuses, just that and this. This is the crimp for it. So remember about that wire I said, from all the way from the back. Crimp it on one. Now for each setting, they do have the paper that tells you which one goes to which. Alright, so first, yellow. That will be a constant source. That will be the accessories, which you can find that in the driver's side, which I'll show you guys that in a second. The red, ignition source. So my red, that was with my yellow, right? That is a number 10 feet. That was a 10 fuse. Now, see how I'm gonna take it out. Pull this out. Alright, now, you see how I got two 10 amps? Put both of them on there. Don't just add one, because the other thing that's already using that will not work. That's the trick. So you go to like any auto store or whatever and grab 3. There's one for each. So you take, so it comes with one. Just take it out, put one in, add the actual additional one, plug it back in. Alright, so you got your black, which is your ground. You could ground it to the battery or to any place on the car. And I put that one right here. Now you got your 12-volt switch headlamp. So now, if you look on here, your headlamp would be, you can use 29, 28, but I use 29. And I plug it into that one. So both, like I said, both 10 amps. Plug it in, boom. All right, we come back underneath, and here's my last one. So that's the first, it's the first one. So it's the first number 10 on there. And if you want to look, if you look at right here, see that? Number 1, 10 amp accessory. So you use that, take it out, put both of the number 10s on there, so it'll be 20 amp. Push it back in. Both of those, the 20 amp 4 is for the accessory, whatever is being used on that fuse, and for that gauge. All right, now that we all caught up, so now, so when you get your wires in, do all of that, tap it in and everything. If you do want to do this part first and actually drill that in, you can actually, and then place these in. But since I already did it, I'm gonna just go ahead and unscrew these, and then go ahead and place it on that. Took these out, and now I'm gonna place the cover, and I'm gonna lay out where I'm gonna drill my holes in. So here's another thing. So if you got a heat gun, that'll be perfect, because the universals do not fit. Like, look how much gas space I got. So I need a heat gun it, but I'm probably gonna add a little bit of force, and I'm gonna drill this out of this, bro. So found the little way at the edge. It actually would kind of fit, but right here it's gonna show just a little bit right there. So if you want, this, it comes with this also. I say put this on there, so then at least that'll be covered. It'll be flat on here. Or if you don't want to, you know, you don't have to. But I already set my hole, so I got my drill. Go ahead and drill these holes out. Alright, so I got my holes drilled. When you do that, I say start this off is without the wiring. Like, first put on the covers. So it's a better way to drill, better way to mark your holes, everything. Like, so I already drilled my holes. It's 4 holes, and I went ahead and put where I'm gonna drill and mark them on here. Yeah, be careful where you're drilling at. I drill right into my finger. Alright, after you drilled that, if you want, which would actually kind of look nicer, they got these clips on, like, you can get them like on your hardware store, whatever, and they just clip with like little holes in, right? But I'm gonna come back and actually like do a little spray paint and kind of make it the same kind of color that blends in. But I just went I already had. I'm gonna just put these in better anyway. They hold, and it's gonna hold on that much longer anyways. Let me do that. So here's how I did mine. Looks a little bit tacky, but here's what I was saying about that hole. Yeah, so I don't know, but I might just drill the hole right in the middle. Look, I put a screw here, and I'm thinking it was gonna catch right here, but it didn't. But if I screw that one, I might be able to push that in just a little. Nah, now thinking about it, that hole's already right there. So I would have to like, nah, I'm gonna just leave it. It's gonna have to just look like that. All right, so now you go ahead, plug it back in. And what's cool about this one is, man, I need another hand. The tight, the firm, the actual rounding of here fits so good on here that honestly you don't even need to bolt it. You just push it in and call it a day. That's what it looks like from the end. Gotta get that. Another screw for that one. But put the bolt back on. Push that back in. And then boom. That's what it looked like. Alright, go ahead, pop your key in. You know how to turn the car all the way on, just put it on accessories just to test it. Now obviously that temperature one is gonna stay, it's gonna say 250 for right now. So they got 7 different colors. Well, I think it's like 7 different colors or something like that. But yeah. So that's really it. See you guys in the next installment.
How tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.